If you have clients on a monthly retainer, or you sell a subscription service, typing out the exact same invoice every single month is a massive waste of your time. Today, I'm going to show you how to put your billing on autopilot by setting up a recurring invoice. QuickBooks will literally create and send the invoice for you while you sleep. Let's get it set up. To set this up, we are actually going to start by making a normal invoice. Head over to the top left, click your plus Create button, and select Invoice. Before you even start typing out the customer name, look down at the bottom of the invoice. You will see a button that says Make Recurring. Go ahead and click that. Instantly, the top of your invoice transforms into a scheduling menu. Now let's walk through these recurring settings. Start by typing in a clear template name, something like Smith Monthly Retainer, so you can easily spot it in your lists later. For the type, choose Scheduled, so QuickBooks handles the sending automatically. Right below that, you have a box for Create Number of Days in Advance. This is a really cool feature if you want QuickBooks to draft the invoice a few days early so you can review it before it actually goes out to the client. Next, look at your Template Options toggles. You definitely want to turn on Automatically Send Emails. You can also toggle Include Unbilled Charges if you want it to automatically sweep up any extra billable time or expenses you tracked for that client during the month, or select Mark as Print Later if you physically mail your invoices. Finally, dial in the schedule. Pick your start date, and if this is an ongoing retainer, set the End dropdown to Never. Then just set it to repeat monthly, every 1 month on day 1st. QuickBooks even gives you a nice little summary box right above the interval settings so you can confirm the schedule is exactly what you want. Once the schedule is locked in, just fill out the rest of the invoice like normal. Select your customer from the dropdown and add the product or service you are charging them for every month. Because you already set up the automation at the top, everything down here will just copy over month after month. Double-check your totals, and once it looks perfect, head down to the bottom right and click Save Template. That's it. Your billing is officially automated, and you just bought yourself hours of free time every month. If this walkthrough helped you out today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Also, if you want to support my work and get access to some exclusive perks, consider joining our channel membership by hitting the Join button down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.